Confidence hack number 37. God spelled backwards is D-O-G, dog. The confidence boost today comes through the unconditional love of dogs. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers of all types how to hack their confidence. If you want to learn how they're hacking their confidence, you can get an inbox email from me every single day or weekly. Go to my website, davidnurse.com, where you can sign up for free to start your day off on the right, confident foot. Have you ever seen a dog turn their paw to their owner because the owner got fired from their job? Have you ever seen a dog not wag their tail in excitement because their owner isn't good looking? Have you ever seen a dog not give their owner love because someone told them they aren't good enough? No. The answer is undeniably no. And sorry, cat lovers, this episode it's not for you. A study conducted by the University of Buffalo found that the support of a dog can lower your blood pressure in stressful situations. Studies have found that dogs can help their owner increase oxytocin levels, the hormone that increases levels of happiness and comfort. And in a study done in over 1,000 dog owners surveyed in the UK, 84% reported being more mindful, 75% reported lower stress levels, and 78% reported increased self-esteem. Those are astronomical numbers just by owning a dog, not a cat, owning a dog. The greatest human need, literally, is to feel valued. Behavioral psychologist Jo Hemmings hits the nail on the head when she says, seeing the pleasure that a dog gets from us humans, owners, taking them on a walk, or even just spending time with them can increase our own sense of self-worth and self-esteem, which in turn means we feel more valued. Bingo! That might be the name of your dog. It was the name of my first dog when I was a kid, actually. Dogs will never judge you for being a failure. Dogs will never judge you for being unattractive. Dogs will never judge you for not being cool as your coworker. Dogs will never judge you. Gain a confidence boost today in knowing that your dog is always there for you. And a simple pat on the head or a rub of the belly, followed by that glorious tail wag, is a hack to spark self-confidence, self-belief, self-esteem, and to know that you are valued. Interesting side note, too. God spelled backwards is dog.